Gold is showing signs of recovery after spending several weeks inside a well-defined bearish channel. The market recently reacted strongly from the lower boundary of the channel and the demand area around 4,361 to 4,372, where buyers stepped in aggressively and triggered a sharp bullish rebound. The recent rally has pushed price back toward the key 4,500 to 4,520 support zone, which previously acted as resistance. This area is now becoming a major decision point for the market. As long as gold continues to hold above this zone, the short-term bullish structure remains intact and favors further upside. From a technical perspective, price is attempting to break out of the descending channel that has controlled the market for most of the recent decline. A successful breakout and retest above the channel resistance could confirm a shift in momentum and attract additional buying pressure. The first upside objective is the 4,639 to 4,657 resistance zone, where sellers may become active again. If buyers manage to clear this area, the next major target comes in around 4,739 to 4,757, which represents the long-term bullish objective shown on the chart. However, the bullish scenario is not confirmed yet. A rejection from the current breakout area could trigger a temporary pullback toward the 4,500 to 4,520 support zone before another attempt higher. This would be a healthier retest rather than a trend failure, provided support continues to hold. The RSI is also recovering above the midline, suggesting improving momentum and supporting the possibility of further upside if buyers maintain control. Key levels: support 4,500 to 4,520 major demand zone, 4,361 to 4,372 resistance, 4,639 to 4,657, long-term target 4,739 to 4,757 bullish confirmation, sustained. H4 closes above channel resistance and support holding at 4,500 bearish invalidation. H4 close back below 4,500 could lead to a deeper correction toward the demand zone outlook. The overall structure suggests that gold is attempting to transition from a bearish trend into a recovery phase. Buyers have successfully defended the lower demand zone and are now challenging key resistance levels. Holding above support keeps the bullish outlook alive, while a confirmed breakout could open the path toward the higher resistance and long-term target zones.